So if you are interested in buying goods direct from China, then watch this video from the beginning to the end. I will give you complete tutorial on how you can start buying goods direct from China to Nigeria without stress. Let's go. If you are not following me, follow me. So at the end of my post video like this, you can be able to see it.
First thing, you go to Play Store. You go to Play Store and download Alibaba. This particular one with this particular logo, Alibaba.com. As you can see it, I already have it in my phone already. So let me open it. You open your Alibaba. Then if you have the account, what you will do first, you first go and open the account with your email, with your Gmail. When you open the account, make sure that you register with your correct information. Register with your correct information. Once you finish registering, you are done. Then come to the search button and search the product that you want to buy. Look at the search button here. Search for the product. Okay, let's search iPhone. Let's search iPhone SR. Let's search iPhone SR. Okay, so make sure that if you are buying, buy from verify company account. As you can see, this account here is verified. This one is verified. And then if you want to see the video, the phone and how it looks, you click on the picture. As you can see, this is the picture of the phone, how it is, as you can see. Then you can go and see the review. Look at the review. See all review. Let's see the review. As you can see the rating, 5 star. So it means that the company is doing perfect work. As you can see, very satisfied. It means that their company is legit. So if you are buying, make sure that you are buying from verified account, verified company account. Then you can see, if you want to watch the video, you can go and click on the video and see the video of how the phone looks like. So after watching the video, you're okay. Then the next thing is to go to the chat now. You see it, and the chat send inquiries. You understand? So the minimum order you can buy is 1 pieces. You can buy 1 pieces, but the higher quantity you buy, the lower the price. As you can see, the price of 1 piece is 249,312 naira. This is the minimum of 1 pieces, but the higher you buy, the lower the price. The higher you buy, the lower the price. As you can see. So you can send other requests. You can check on logistic inquiry. So once you are through, you send it to them. Then they will reply you and give you the means of payment, how you are going to make payment. You understand? Very, very simple. Very simple. So this is the means of payment. You can make payment through bank transfer. You can make payment through Visa card. As you can see, this is the means of payment. So once you are through, you are done. They will give you dates. They will give you dates on how you are going to, on when you are going to get your phone. They can give you 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or 1 month, depending. Then that is it. Okay, look at the phone details. the brand, as you can see, the screen 6.1, the model, the screen resolution, the version from China. So that is it. So if you really enjoy watching this video, kindly follow us for more interesting videos like this, and kindly share this video for others to see, people who want to learn how to start buying goods direct from China. So thank you so much.